Okay, so with these multi-step equations, we are trying to work the order of operation backwards. We've already done this one. Let's take a look at this one over here. So in this equation, do you see any, we're looking for addition and subtraction that we can undo. What do you see, Tori? Yeah, I've got a subtracting 12, so I do the opposite, adding 12. If I do it to one side, I do it to the other side. Okay, those cancel, and I'm just going to rewrite the entire equation. So I've got 4x on this side, and 12s go away. On this side, I've all of a sudden got 72. Next step, any more adding and subtracting? No, so I go to the next level up, multiplying or dividing. What's going on, Matthew?
Yeah, well, since they're doing multiplication, we have to divide by 4.
Yeah, I'm multiplying by 4, so to undo it, I divide by 4. Now, again, always have to do it on both sides. That's what's going to cancel out, so that my variable is all by itself. So I write my variable down, still got my equal sign. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Yay, we're done. Okay, and again, with all of these, you can always double check. Is x really 18, or did I goof something up? Take x and plug it back into this. 4 times 18 minus 12, does it really equal 60? Then I did it right. Same thing over here. We got 15, plug it back in. Is 3 times 15 plus 5 really 50? Then we're good. Cool? All right, you guys can try some on your own. Try those two. Stand up when you're done.
I need help on the first question.
Started on these and try to race you, but maybe you're already beating me on it. What do we do on those two? No? First one? Stuck on the first one, I'm saying?
I did it wrong.
Was your first step to subtract 22?
I didn't find any subtraction. I didn't realize that.
So you started by trying to divide by 30?
I started by adding 30 and 22.
And you got what, 52n? There's a problem with that though, that's not number of n's, right? That's just 22. See the difference? You can't combine this and this because they're two different terms. When we talk about combining like terms, this one's got a variable stuck to it, this one doesn't. Does that make sense now? Okay. Questions on either of those? Lauren, how'd you do?
I got 9.
Awesome. All right, let's try a few more. The same items apply here. This one gets to be a little bit trickier. Just because, well, I don't know. It just looks trickier with fraction. It's really the same though. Give it a shot. So save on up. What are you going to do on that first one? Start with adding and subtracting, right?
Subtract 10 from 10.
And again, if you can do that first. The other thing that you might have noticed is I've got two groups of X on the same side. I would probably combine those first, that's your combination of like terms, right? So I would probably rewrite it as this first before I start subtracting by 10. But if you did subtraction by 10, it's still gonna work out okay. Combine them afterwards.
Can you use the add the points to test? Do you do that before you take the test or after?
Okay. Got 18 on the first one, how do we do on the second? What do we get over here?
I couldn't get that.
Can get it? Same method though. What'd you start by doing?
With the first one,
Oh, you just didn't get to it yet?
yeah, I did get the second one.
Okay. Let's walk through the second one, cause that one's all up there already. Here, I'm gonna start by subtracting on both sides, right? It's gonna cancel that out. I'm left with this. Now I'm dividing by 5, so I wanna undo that by multiplying by 5. So I have to do that on both sides. Those cancel out, I should have x equals 45. Good? Good? Yes.
I'm not sure how the multiplying thing.
What?
The multiplying 5 by x over 5 x and x.
Well, that's just x divided by 5, which is the division. So again, you're undoing division by multiplying. Okay? Alright, try 2 more. This one's got a decimal, doesn't matter. You're doing the same type of operation. You need to get paper like that full times, you need some room to do work. You need to clear all this off. You gotta be in a mode where you can actually accomplish something. Where's the problem that you have written down? Where's 7x minus 12 minus x equals 24?
Just do and then write.
Okay, so there's 4 people here. the way I'm showing you, and they're going, yep, I got it, and you're struggling here. Maybe if we start writing things down, doing it the same way, you might pick up on it. Let's give it a shot, huh? Cause right now, this isn't working, trying to do it in my head, it's not working for you. Gotta write it out, you need paper, go get paper from there if you don't have your own. Okay, well, that's fine. Alright, so are you guys combining first? 7x minus x gives you 6x. I've still got the negative 12 equals 24, good there. Then I add 12 to both sides. Those will cancel, I'm left with 6x over here, I've got 36 over here. And then because I'm multiplying, I need to undo that by dividing. Those go away, I'm left with x equals 6. Good, good, good? Alright, what do we get over here? 5.7 divided by 3 ends up being 19. 1.9? Awesome. Alright guys, I think that's enough practice for now. What we are going to do as an assignment is, I have yours as a regular one. Yeah, yours is kind of regular. Normally, again, we try to stick to 15, and I'm giving you one extra one to make sure we capture at least one of these types of problems. So we're going to do numbers 1 through 16. You can get started on that now.